What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm going to show you a hotel tour of a $10 a night hotel just outside Bangkok. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without see. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So I'm on a pretty beautiful street here. But it's the outskirts of Bangkok. And here's the building. If you've been following my shorts and seeing my channel and stuff, I had a vacay this week in Railay Beach in Thailand. It's near Krabi. So I decided to just stick around 2 or 3 more days and I'm gonna save like $200 off the flight. And I found this gem of an apartment. It's like a rundown apartment building. They're running it like a hotel. Phang Sathon Mansion. So yeah, I chose it because it's close to the airport I need to go to. It's only $10 a night, and it's like a private room with a balcony and private bathroom. And then after I booked it, I started to read all these nightmare reviews and I got all worried, but it's not too bad. But if this was going to be like your vacation, I would not recommend this place. So walking up to the entrance here, they actually have an area to do where there's laundry machines. They've got a beverage vending machine. And then these are all over Thailand. It's like a water machine that you can bring an empty bottle and put some change in and it'll fill up with clean drinking water. We're gonna head inside, and after we look at the room and everything, we'll come back and we'll do that water machine and I'll show you how you can fill up a bottle. I've never done it before, but apparently it's 1 baht is 1 liter. That's only like 3 cents. And some machines get 2 liters, they say. Got elevators, but I'm on the 2nd floor, so I just take the stairs because it's one quick flight here. You get a swing lock and another lock. Here, lots of closet space. So yeah, so far you're probably looking like, hey, that doesn't look too bad. Looks like a nice private room you've got. But when you look close, it's actually filthy. And if you saw in the hallway and outside, like things are falling apart and you can see all the wires and the people can't really speak English, but you don't need to talk to them. You don't get any towels, and there was no toilet paper. There's just like a napkin dispenser like glued to the wall. I bought a roll from 7-Eleven and just put it there. I'll show you. When I got here, there was like 2 left in there, and it like dispenses single square napkins, almost like on a bar, at a bar or something. The bed was all right, but if you really go look for it, you can tell all their bedding and stuff has probably been used for years and years and years, because even if they've washed it, there's still, you can find like stains or like stuff like that on it if you really look hard. And I didn't even go under the covers. I just put these, I have like these long rain pants, and I wear those to bed, but I just laid on top of the bed. But there was no bugs or anything. Oh yeah, check out the state of the bathroom. And the hot water heater is not connected at all, I don't think. Like, that's just coming out of the tap, so it's gonna be just no hot water. Has a fun door too. design. Yeah, it's all right. I've been here 2 nights already, and then in one more night, and then early in the morning I do a 1-hour flight back to Phnom Penh. Let's head down there to the laundry thing and try out the water machine. See how that works. Okay, I've got my bottle. I have 2 baht on me, which is like 6 cents, and we'll see if we can get some water out of the machine. Back over here by the laundry. We're gonna figure it out together. I've never done it before. Right under the nozzle. And it says it's cleaned by reverse osmosis. Oh, there we go. So you just push the green button. Now this holds 1.5, so I don't know if I'm only getting 1 liter. Oh look, it's filling it all the way. So I think obviously it can sense once it's filled and spills over a little bit, then it's stopped automatically. This container is 1.5 liter. I only put 1 baht in. I'm not sure if maybe there was some credit left from someone else, or I heard some machines give out 2 liters for a baht. And again, 1 baht is like 3 cents, something like that. And you save plastic. It's better for the environment. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. You can find these machines all around. So even if you're walking around and you finish a sports drink you have and you see a thing like this, you can just put any bottle, any container in there, drop some change in, and then have some drinking water on the go. They've got everything in this little corner. Laundry machine, dryer. There's like a coffee cappuccino machine. There's a machine to get change if you only have bills, and all the soaps and everything too. But look at this local thing across the road over here. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.
Just not tripping out.